Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something unique, something awesome in React.js. Okay? And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can dynamically fetch the data from the user profile card in our Modal. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I will teach you that how we can dynamically show the data, how we can dynamically fetch the data in our Modal whenever a user is going to click on any of the profile card dynamically. Okay? And guys, we are gonna build this application using purely React. Okay? So guys, just to give you the demo, just to give you the example, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just explain you the example. Let me just show you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna learn in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just explain you the example as well. Okay, so guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js. Okay, and guys, here we can see the heading also, welcome to React.js classes with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and guys, this is the video number 10th. Okay guys, we all know that we are on a journey to become great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, and guys, this is the 10th video of the series. Okay, I have already created so many videos in React. Okay, if you have not watched it guys, I would like to request you, I would like to recommend you that please guys, first you watch my previous videos, that what is component, how to create component, what is props, and how we can pass props, how we can pass props from parent component to child component, and from child component to parent component in React. Okay, then guys, only you are gonna understand this video, then only you are gonna learn something from this video, from this session. Okay, so it's a request, it's a humble request, first you watch my previous videos. Okay, then only watch this video. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you the example very well. Okay, so guys, here we can see another heading. Okay, display the user profile card dynamically in Modal in React.js. Okay, yes guys, you read it right. In this video, in this session, I will explain you, I'll teach you how we can dynamically fetch the data in our Modal whenever user will click on any of the profile. Okay, see details. Okay, so guys, this is the user profile. Okay, you can see here we have got 8 user profiles. Okay, and let me just very quickly explain you all the user profiles. Okay, so guys, this is the profile pic. Okay, and the name is ER Prabhat Pandit. The profile is service now developer, means snow developer. The description is service now developer at happiest minds. Okay, and experience is 4 year, age is 27, and guys, below we can see one button also called see details. Okay, okay, so guys, likewise for all the user profile card, I have shown the user profile pic, name, profile, description, experience, age, and one button called see details. Okay, here also this is the user profile, and the name is Deepak Kumar, profile is this. Okay, description is this, experience is 1 year, age is 20, and one button called see details. Okay, here also guys. Okay, this is the profile pic, name is Ram Kumar Yadav, profile is Angular developer. This is the description, experience, okay, age, and one button called see details. Okay, come a little down. Okay, so this is the profile pic, the name is Riya Kumari Sharma. This is the profile, description, experience, age, and one button called see details. Okay, here also profile pic, Pankaj Kumar Sharma, profile is this, description is this, experience is 2 year, age is 40, and one button called see details. Okay, here also profile pic Neha Kumari, profile name, profile is Java developer, JavaScript developer, description is this, experience is 1 year, age is 21, and one button called see details. Okay, here also the profile pic name is Jaya Kumari, profile is Kotlin developer, description is this, experience is 5 years, age is 30, and one button called see details. Okay, so guys, we can see here likewise for each and every profile card I have shown the user profile pic, username, profile, description, experience, and age. Okay guys, this is not limited, you are free to show anything, you are free to hide anything. Okay, from the user profile card. Okay, for the demo purpose, for the example I have shown these details only. You are free to show as many as details you want to show on the user profile card. Okay, so guys, now okay, so like we can see here we have got 8 user profiles. Okay, and guys, now whenever guys you will click on any of the user profile card, okay guys, whenever you will click on any of the user profile card, you are gonna activate that user profile card. Okay, and whenever you will again click the activated profile card, you are gonna deactivate it as well. Okay, so guys, in this way we can toggle the card status from active to deactive. Okay, whenever you will click on the same card which have been clicked, which have been made active previously. Okay, so click anywhere on any of the card, it's fully dynamic and fully reactive. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna click this card Priya Kumari. Okay, so click it now to make it active. Okay, so hit anywhere on the card. So see, boom guys, you can see here this Priya Kumari profile card is now active because it has got one background color of red, and you can see now the text color is also white. Okay, and guys, you can see here this text active. Okay, which says it is right now active. Okay, so guys, let me just give me 2 seconds to take some breaths. Okay, so let me just okay, so guys, now I have clicked the first card Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so now currently this card is active because it has got background color of red and a text color of white. Okay, and you can see here this is little scaled up, this is little enlarged also, which shows that this card is currently active, this card is currently clicked by the user. Okay, and guys, you can see here the text also active. Okay, so and you can see here the text color is as of now green. Okay, which means this is active. Okay guys, the moment you will hit this card again, it will be deactivated, and you can see here another text deactive, and the text color will be red. Okay, so I'm gonna click this card again in order to deactivate it. Okay, because I told you whenever you will click on the same card, we are gonna toggle the status from active to deactive. Okay, so hit it anywhere on this card again to make it deactive. See, it's now deactive, and you can see here the text also deactive, and we can see here the text color is also red. Okay, so I'm gonna make this card active. See, it's active. Again toggle it. See, again we can toggle the status from active to deactive. Okay, by clicking the same card. Okay, see, it's active, deactive, again active, again deactive. Okay, click anywhere on any card. Okay, it's fully reactive, fully dynamic. Okay, so now this card is active. You can see here it's active text here. Again click it to make it deactive. See, it's deactive now. You can see here the text also deactive. Okay, so again now make this Neha Kumari profile card active. Just hit it. See, it's active. You can see here the text also active. Okay, so again click it to make it deactive. See, okay, it's deactive. Again make it active, toggle it. See, in this way we can toggle the card, okay, status, okay, from active to deactive, okay, it's active, and you can see here the text also active, okay. So again hit it, it's deactive also, and this is also deactive, okay. So it's active, okay, active, deactive, active, okay. So we can toggle here, it's active now, and we can see here this card is also active at present. So again click it to make it deactive, okay. So it's now deactive, and you can see here the text is also deactive, okay. So we can toggle the card status from active to deactive whenever we will click on the same card which have been made active previously, okay. So okay, so we are also gonna implement this functionality, this feature in our user profile card here in this video, in this session, okay. And you can see it's showing active and deactive dynamically based on the status of the clicked user profile card, okay. Okay, so now guys, we have seen one button also called see details, okay. See details, see details, see details, okay. See details, see details, see details, and see details here also on each and every user profile card, okay. So guys, this button has got one purpose also, it is not here just to like you know show, like show, okay. So it has got one purpose also, guys. Whenever you will click on this button see details, you are gonna open a modal, okay. Guys, whenever you will click this button see details, you are gonna open a modal, and dynamically you are gonna fetch all the user profile data in that modal, okay. Okay, in that modal, okay. So guys, now just see all the details of the Prabhat Pandit dynamically in the modal. We have to hit this button, we have to click this button see details, okay. So hit it now, see, boom guys, you can see here we got the same user profile card of Prabhat Pandit, and it shows that this is active, this is currently active, user has clicked this card, okay, because it has got background color of red and text color is white, and it is little scaled up, little enlarged also, which shows that this card is currently active, okay. And we can see guys, dynamically we have fetched all the details, okay, of this profile card Prabhat Pandit in our modal as well, okay. So this is the name Prabhat Pandit, this is the user profile card, okay. And this is the profile snow developer, description is this, age is 27, experience is 4 year, and we have got one button also called close modal, okay. And guys, here also we can see one icon, close icon, and guys we can we can dismiss this pop-up, we can dismiss this modal, we can make this modal disappear in 3 ways, okay. By clicking on this close icon or the cross icon, okay, by clicking this button called close modal, okay, or by clicking anywhere on this gray area here, okay. Anywhere on this gray area you will hit, the modal is gonna disappear, okay. So this time I'm gonna disappear this modal, this time I'm gonna dismiss this pop-up, this modal, by clicking anywhere on this gray area, okay. So hit it here, see, boom guys, the modal is now gone, okay. Now I want to see the details of this profile, okay, Priya Kumari, okay. So in order to see the details in modal dynamically, we have to hit this button see details. So hit it now, see, boom guys, you can see here this card is now active, Priya Kumari, and we can see all the details dynamically fetched in our modal as well, okay. So you can see the name is Priya Kumari, this is the user profile pic, okay, and the profile is Java developer, description is this, Java developer at Infosys Technology, age is 22, experience is 3 years, and one button called close modal, and icon also to dismiss the modal, okay. So this time I am gonna dismiss this modal, I'm gonna dismiss this pop-up by clicking this close icon, okay. So hit it now, so it's gone, and now I want to see this Deepak Kumar profile details, okay. So hit the button see details, see, boom guys, you can see this card is now active, and dynamically we have fetched all the details in the Modal as well. Okay, so name is Deepak Kumar. This is the profile pic. Profile is React.js developer. Description is React developer at Infobins system. Age is 20. Experience is 1 year, and one button called close Modal. So this time I'm going to dismiss this pop-up. I'm gonna make this pop-up disappear by clicking this button called close Modal. Okay, so hit it now. It's gone. Okay, and now see the profile details of Ram Kumar Yadav. Okay, so hit the button, see details. See, boom guys, you can see is this card is active now. This card is active. Okay, and dynamically we have fetched all the details in our Modal as well. So the name is Ram Kumar Yadav. This is the profile pic. Okay, and profile is Angular developer. Description Angular developer at L&T Technologies. Age is 29 and experience is 10 years, and one button called dismiss the Modal. So I'm gonna hit here the gray area to make this Modal disappear. Okay, so hit anywhere. So hit it now. Here it's gone. So now I want to see the profile of Jaya Kumari. So hit the button, see details. Okay, see this card is active, and dynamically we have fetched all the details: name, profile, okay, user profile, profile description is okay, experience 5 years, and close button Modal to dismiss the Modal. So hit it now. So see the details about the Neha Kumari profile. Okay, so hit the button, see details. It's here. So you can see here Neha Kumari profile is this, profile pic is this. Okay, profile is JavaScript developer. Description is JavaScript developer at Accenture. Age is 21. Experience is 1 year, and one button called close Modal to dismiss the Modal. Okay, so hit it now. Now see the profile of Pankaj Kumar Sharma. Hit the button, see details. See, it's now active. This card is now active. Okay, and we can see the name is Pankaj Kumar Sharma. Profile pic is this. Profile is Vue.js developer. Description Vue developer at Avathu Private Limited. Age is 40. Experience is 2 years, and one button called close Modal. Okay, so hit here this close icon to make this Modal disappear. Okay, so hit it now. It's gone. Now see the profile details of Riya Kumari Sharma. Okay, so hit the button, see details. See Riya Kumari Sharma. This is the profile pic. Profile is web developer. Description is web developer at L&T Technologies. Age is 27. Experience is 3 years. Okay, 3 years, and one button called close Modal. Okay, so hit anywhere. Okay, anywhere on this gray area to dismiss it. Okay, so hit here. It's gone. Okay, so guys, now it's fully dynamic. Okay, whenever you will click on any of the user profile card button called see details, you will be able to see all the details of that particular card dynamically in our Modal. Okay, so hit it now. Okay, see, it's fully dynamic. Close it. Okay, it's fully dynamic. It's fully dynamic, guys. We are gonna implement this feature also, this functionality also here in our application. Okay, in this video, in this session only. Okay, so I hope guys you will learn something new, something great, something unique from this video, from this session. Okay, and guys, I hope guys you are thrilled, okay, to learn, okay, and to build this small yet dynamic application in React.js using fully React. Okay, guys, we all know that we are on a journey to become great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, and guys, this is the 10th video in this series. Okay, guys, in order to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months, guys, you have to work on yourself a lot. Okay, and guys, you have to watch my each and every video, and from starting to end. Okay, and guys, you have to subscribe to my this channel channel code with ER as well. Okay, and guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys, okay, do subscribe to my this channel code with ER. Okay, and guys, now let's get started and let's build this small yet very dynamic application in React with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, and guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend. It's a request from a brother to a brother. Please guys, I need your support, I need your help, and the only way you can support me and the only way you can help me is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER, and by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and service now as well. Okay, please guys, please, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can support me and the only way you can promote me is by subscribing to my this channel Code with ER. Okay, and liking my all videos as well. Okay, please guys, please support me. You can see guys, I am putting a lot of hard work, I am putting a lot of hard efforts to make videos on each and every small details in React. Okay, so that you will feel confident over yourself after watching my session, after watching my video. Yeah, that I have learned something from this video, from this session. Now I feel much and much confidence over myself, that I can build any application, any React application, any React website. I can build any native application using React as well. Okay, so guys, for this you have to work on yourself as well as you have to subscribe to this channel Code with ER. Okay, and you have to like my all videos also. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's build this small yet dynamic application with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna code now. Okay, so guys, I'm using here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so I'm gonna write the code now. So I will be using here the IDE to write my code. Okay, VS Code. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna create here one new page. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one page. I'll say here React Modal app. Okay, dot HTML. Okay, HTML, save the page. Okay, so it's saved now. I'm gonna create here HTML first. So HTML, I'll give the page title also. So I'll say here Code with ER Prabhat. Okay, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I'm working as a service now developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 4 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, we need some CDN link also in order to work with this file. Okay, so guys, I'm going to the previous example to just to copy the CDN links. Okay, from there. Okay, so just copy these CDN links from here, and I will explain you also. Okay, so don't worry. So guys, let me guys like make you one thing clear. Guys, if you feel my voice is too low, if you feel the audio of this video is too low, then please guys, please guys, do use your headphone to listen to my audio, to listen to my voice. Okay, please guys, please, if you feel you have like my voice is little low, my voice is little down, then please guys, please use the headphone. Okay, to listen to the audio, to listen to the voice of this video. Okay, and guys, I'm making this video at my home, so there will be some family talking, there will be some background voices, there will be some unwanted background noises. Okay, because I am at my home right now and I am recording this video at my home only, so there will be some background voices, there will be some family talking, there will be some chit chat as well. Okay, so guys, just ignore this, just skip this. Okay, chit chat, this family talk. Okay, and try to focus on the learning part, try to focus on the great part of this video, of this session. Okay, and let's learn and let's build this great yet dynamic application in React. Okay, with me, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you all the CDN links as well. Okay, so guys, now you can see here I have given the comment here also, Bootstrap 5 CSS CDN. Okay, so I have got a folder called assets, and inside that folder I have got another folder called CSS, and in that folder I have got a file called bootstrap.min.css. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the bootstrap as well. Okay, and I'm using here the CDN link of React. Okay, just to teach you, just to explain you the things. Okay, once we are fully understood what is React and how we can work with the React, we are going to use here the React create application. Okay, so we won't be able to use we are not going to use then the CDN link of React. Okay, we will be using the completely project based on the components. Okay, so now you can see here the comment is React and React DOM CDN links. Okay, so guys, this is the another inside the again inside the folder assets, and in that folder I have got a file called JS, and in that folder I have got a file called react.development.js. Okay, so this is the JS file for React development. Okay, and guys, this is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder JS I have got another file called react.dom.development.js. Okay, so this is the JS file for React development again. Okay, and these two file are JS file. Okay, and here we can see, the CDN also the for the bevel. Okay, you can see here the comment also bevel CDN link to transpile JSX. Okay, so this guys CDN link is gonna support our JSX. Okay, it is gonna transpile our JSX back into back in, okay, plain JavaScript. Okay, which then will be understood by our browser JavaScript engine. Okay, okay, so it is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder JS I have got a file called bevel.min.js. Okay, so let me just show you the folder also very quickly. So go to this folder React projects. Okay, and go to the assets. Okay, and you can see here inside the JS I have got the bevel.min.js, react.development.js, react dom.development. Okay, and just go to the CSS. Okay, so this is the bootstrap.min.css. Okay, go to the images folder, and guys, here I have saved some of the images for this project as well. Okay, so this is the again inside the folder images in the folder assets. Okay, so I will be using some of the images from here in our project. Okay, so just minimize this. Okay, so guys, now we are done with the CDN link, and now we are good to go, and we are good to write our JavaScript code. Okay, so first of all, I'm sorry, I'm going to create here one container div, one wrapper div, or we can say one parent div also. Okay, so I'll give here the ID also as a root. Okay, so I'll just close this div very quickly. Guys, let me just guys tell you one thing. Guys, I will be trying to make this video a little faster. Okay, so I hope guys you will be able to understand my voice, and my voice is clear, my voice is audible to you. If it is not, then please guys, please do use the headphone to listen to my voice, to listen to the audio of this video. Okay, and please ignore the family talking which will be happening in the background. Okay, anytime. Okay, please try to ignore it. Okay, and please do guys do use the headphone to listen to my voice, to listen to the audio of this video. Okay, if you feel my voice is too low, if you feel my voice is too slow. Okay, so I'm gonna write here the comment what React is gonna do here. Okay, so I will write here the comment very quickly. So I'll say here here. Okay, here React is gonna inject the output for us. Okay, this is it guys. Okay, so inside this div React is gonna dynamically inject the code or the output for us, and then only we will be able to see the result or the output on our browser. Okay, so guys, this is it. We are done with the HTML part, and now we are going to create here one script tag, one script element. Okay, so I'm going to create here one script element, or the tag we can say. Okay, so just we have to guys specify the type also. So I'll say here type text slash bevel. Okay, because here we are using the CDN link for bevel, which is going to support our JSX, which means JavaScript and XML, which is going to transpile our JSX back into our plain JavaScript. Okay, then only it is going to be understood, it is going to be understood by the our web browser JavaScript engine. Okay, okay, so I hope I am clear why we use here the bevel. Okay, and we have to specify the type as slash bevel. Okay, so this is it. So guys, now first of all, very quickly, we all know that we have to create a one component, one parent component in React. Okay, whenever we are working with the React, okay, we have to create here one parent component. Okay, so guys, now I'm also gonna create here one parent component very quickly. I'm sorry guys, I'm very sorry for this. So I'll say here const. Okay, const, I'll say here app. I'm gonna use here the fighter function like this. Okay, so close this. So this is it, and it is gonna return all the things. Okay, so I'll say here return opening and closing parenthesis. Okay, and inside this it is gonna take here one container div or one parent div, or we can use here the JavaScript. Okay, JSX fragments as well. Okay, we can use the JSX fragments as well inside this return statement, or we can use the container div or the wrapper div. It is compulsory, it is mandatory to use one container div or one wrapper div. Okay, inside this return statement. Okay, whenever we are working with the React. Okay, you are free to use the JSX fragments also, JavaScript. Okay, JSX. Okay, fragments also. Okay, so I will be using here the I'm sorry guys, I'm constantly speaking, so my voice is like this. Okay, I'm sorry for this. I hope you will forgive me for this. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one div, one container div, or we can one wrapper div. Okay, so I'll give here the class name also. So class name I'll give here the container. Okay, I'll give here margin top 5, margin bottom also 5. Okay, and just close this div. Okay, and inside this div, this is it. Okay, and now we have to mount. Okay, we have to mount this parent div. Okay guys, we have to mount this parent div. Okay, this main component with our this HTML part. Okay guys, now we have to mount our this parent component or the main component. Okay, with this HTML part. So now I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I'll say here below this, I'm gonna create here one const. I'll say here container equal to, I'll say here document. Okay, document dot get element by id. I'm sorry I'm sorry guys. Okay, so copy this id from here and paste it here. Okay, I'm sorry guys for my voice. Okay, I'm sorry because I'm constantly speaking, so that's why my voice is like this. Okay, I hope you will excuse me for this, you will forgive me for this. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna create here another const. I'll say here root equal to, I'll give here react. Okay, react dom dot create. Okay, create root. Okay, create root, this is it. And now just pass this container as a argument to this function create root. Okay, so this is it. Now just copy this root variable name from here, or the const name, and we will say here dot, we have to say here render. Okay, so we have to render all the things also to the browser. So what to render guys, we have to render this main or the parent component. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. I'm sorry, and just close this. So guys, now in this way. Okay guys, now in this way, okay, we have mounted, okay, we have connected, we have attached, okay, this parent component, this main component with this our HTML part. Okay, and now guys, whatever you will write inside this, okay, main component or the React component, it can be custom component, it can be predefined component, or it can be anything guys. Whatever you will write, it is gonna React is gonna inject inside this div with the id root. Okay, so let me just create here some of the variable also very quickly. I'm going to create here a couple of variables. Okay, so I'll say here const. I'm going to say here the variable name as a header. I'll use here the single or double quotes, because we are going to create here, we are going to write here the text. Okay, so it's compulsory to use the single or double quotes whenever we are defining the text. Okay, inside any JavaScript framework or the library. Okay, so I'll say here welcome to React.js classes. okay, with er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and this is the class number 10th. So I will specify the number also. So this is class 10th. Okay, and now I'm gonna say here, so I'll create a div. Okay, give the class name as a text center. So guys, we all know why we use class name to provide the CSS classes, to give the CSS classes, and why not use b and why not we use class. Okay, because guys, class is a predefined or the reserved keyword in JavaScript. Okay, so that's why we have to use the class name to specify, to provide, to give the CSS classes to the HTML element. Okay, so that's why we use here class name instead of class. Okay, to provide the CSS classes, to give the CSS classes to HTML element. Okay, I hope I am clear now. Okay, so I'll give here margin top also 3, and I'll give here margin bottom also 3. Okay, so inside this I'm gonna create here h1 element. Okay, so first create h1 element. Okay, so h1, and close this h1 very quickly. Now we will say here, so guys in this video I'm not gonna guys explain you, I'm not gonna teach you every minute details in React. Okay, because I have done that already in my previous videos as well. Okay, so I'm not gonna explain you, I'm not gonna teach you the minute of the React.js, the small part of the React.js. Okay, the small things in React.js. No, I have taught you, I have teach you in my previous videos. If you have not watched it, why we use the curly braces, why we use the return, why we use the class name, why we use props, why we create header, why we create custom component, why it is compulsory, why it is mandatory to create component. No, I have explained all the things in my previous videos. Just go and watch my previous videos if you have not watched it already. Okay, so guys, now in order to show this information to the browser, on the browser, okay, to the user, we have to copy this header variable name from here and just paste it. This is it. Okay, so save your code, dispose this port, and go now live. So this is the beauty of using the VS Code editor, because it has got one live server. So the moment you will save your code, the moment you will save your file, it is gonna automatically refresh your page, and you don't have to refresh the page dynamically. You don't need to refresh the page again and again. Okay, every time you will save your code. Okay, so this is the beauty of using VS Code editor. Okay, so now click the button, go live. Okay, so guys, now we can see here one button also, I'm sorry, the heading also, welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so first of all, let me just connect to the net first. Okay, so guys, we can see here the heading also, welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit, and this is the video number 10. Okay, so we have to show this details also. So copy this text from here, and I'm gonna create here another variables. So I'll say here const. Okay, const, I'll say here subtitle. Okay, subtitle equal to, so paste this. Okay, so close this. Okay, so copy this from here and paste below this. Okay, so copy this subtitle variable and replace with this header, make it h3. Okay, so it should be little smaller, and I'll just give here margin top to 5, say margin bottom also 5 or 5. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and see. We can see here, guys, display the user profile card dynamically in Modal in React.js. Okay, so guys, now we can see here the same like here. Okay, this is the example, and this is what we have made. Okay, so guys, now dynamically very quickly we are gonna create these user profile card. Okay, 8 user profile card we are gonna create here very quickly. Okay, so just come to the code now, and yeah, so I'll just reduce the top 4. Okay, and 4 also. So yeah, we can see this now. Okay, so now we have to create this user profile card. Okay, so guys, this is a what can I say, guys, this is a object. Okay, this is the array of object. So guys, we are also gonna learn how we can dynamically look through the array, how we can dynamically look through the array of object using the map method here in React.js as well. Okay guys, if you don't know how we can look through the array, how we can look through the array of object, so don't worry, I will explain you here. I'll teach you here very smoothly and very easily and very efficiently as well. Okay guys, you will learn it in a single go, in a one go. Okay, and you don't have to learn it again and again. Okay, you will become master today here itself, in this video, in this session. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna create here the array of object also. So I'm gonna create here one array of object. Okay, I'll give you a const. I'll say here user details. Okay, so square bracket. Okay, close this, and now I'm gonna create here inside the array of object now. So it will be an object, so we have to use here open and closing curly braces. I'm gonna give here the name colon. So I'll say here er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so put comma, I'll give you the title also. So guys, now I'll say here snow developer. Okay, which means service now developer. Okay, okay, put comma, I'll say here, I'm sorry, description also. So description. Okay, description, put colon, I'll give here service now developer at happiest. Okay, happiest minds technology. Okay, okay, technology, put comma, I'll say here experience also. So I'll say here experience. I'm sorry, I'm sorry guys for my voice. Okay, so I'll say here experiences 4 years. Okay, 4 years. I'm going to define the image path also. So I'll say here profile pic. Okay, so I'm going to define here the image path. Okay, so I have shown you the folder assets. Okay, assets, and in that folder I have got a folder again images, and in that folder I have saved some of the images for this project. Okay, so I'm going to the copy this Prabhat dot jpg from here. Okay, and just paste it here. So this is it. Okay, and I'm gonna give here the age also. So age property also I'll say here 27. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you know how we can create the object in the JavaScript, in JavaScript, in JavaScript library also, in JavaScript framework also, like React, Vue or Angular. Okay, so guys, this way we have created our one okay, one object. Okay, so this is the array of object, and in this way we have created here one object. You can see this is the array of object. It has got, okay, property, name, title, description, experience, profile pic and age. Okay, so okay, so guys, okay, so guys, left side is the key and the right side is the property. Left side is the key, right side is the property. Left side is the key and right side is the property. Left side is the key and the right side is the property. Okay, left side is the key and right side is the property. Okay, so this is the key and this is the property. This is the key and this is the property. This is the key, this is the property, this is the key. Okay, this is the value. Okay, this is the key, this is the value. Okay, this is the key and this is the value. Okay, some people guys also call this key or the property. Okay, so here we will say here only key. Okay, we will say here only key. Some people also call it a property as well, but we will say here, we will use here the term key and value. Okay, key, okay, value, key and value. Okay, key and value. Left side is the key, right side is the value. Left side is the key, right side is the value. Left side is the key and right side is the value. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, I hope you know how we can create object. Okay, and how we can create the array of object in JavaScript. Okay, although I have explained you here very well. Okay, so guys, now in order to save our little bit of time, okay, I am going to the previous example to copy the user details from there only, just to save our little bit of time, for the sake of saving little bit of time, I am going to copy the user details or the array of object from the previous example only, although I have explained you how we can create the object. Okay, so this way we create object in JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript library or the framework as well. Okay, so this is the example. So come down, and I am going to copy these elements from here. Okay, so copy this element from here and just replace here. Okay, so guys, you can see here we have got 8 element. Okay, so this is the so this is the first element. Okay, this is the first element, this is the second element. Okay, this is the third element, this is the fourth element, this is the fifth element, this is the sixth element, this is the seventh element, and this is the eighth element. Okay, so guys, this user details object has got 8 element, and every element has got some property or the property or the key. Okay, so property or key is name, title, description, profile pic, experience, and age. And this is the value: year Prabhat Pandit, Snow developer, service now developer at Happiest Minds Technology. Images is this. Okay, and experience is 4 year, age is 27. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the elements. Okay, inside this user details object. Okay, inside this user details object, you can see it is showing the object property also: name, title, description, profile pic, experience, and age also. Okay, and you can see here it is an array of object. Okay, you can see it is an array of object, and it is showing here also the all the properties. Okay, like name, okay, title, description, profile pic, experience, and age also. Okay, okay, so I hope, okay, you are clear. So this is another element. Okay, inside this user details object. Okay, this is another element. 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 Okay, and it has got name or property also, or the key also. Okay, so the name, title, okay, description, profile pic, experience, and age also. Okay, likewise for all. Okay, name, title, description, profile pic, experience, and age. Okay, name, title, description, profile pic, experience, and age. Okay, name, title, description, profile pic, experience, and age also. Okay, likewise for each and every element. Okay, okay, so guys, now we are gonna look through this user details array of object. Okay, so copy this. So below this div, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, I'm gonna create here another div. So create a div, give the class name also. I'll give the class name as a row. Okay, so I'll give the class name as a row. Okay, so close this div very quickly, and inside this div I'm gonna use here the opening and closing curly braces, because we all know that in order to show the expressions value, in order to show the calculations value, in order to show the output to the user, to the browser, we have to use here open and closing curly braces. Okay, and now we will just paste this user details. We will use here the map method. So I'll say here map. Okay, and it is gonna take here one callback function. Okay guys, this map method is gonna take one callback function, and that callback function will take at least one necessary parameter. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the filter functions. I'll say here item. Okay, item, and I'll pass the index also. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the filter function. So I'll say here like this and like this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so now we will just create here another div. Okay, so I'll just create here another div. Close this div very quickly. I'll give the class name also. So I'll say here call lg3 and called axel also 3, and I'll just give a little bit margin top 2 I'll give, and margin bottom also I'll give 2. Okay, and inside this div, okay, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'll create here another div. Okay, I'll give the class name also as a card. Okay, and I'll just give here another class overflow hidden. So this is it. Later on we will define another class. Okay, so it is just a class, nothing else. So now inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'll create a div. I'll give the class name as a img container. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and just close this and give little bit margin bottom and top also. Margin top I'll give here 2 and margin bottom I'll give here 2. Okay, so this is it. Okay, inside this div I'm gonna create here img element. Okay, so I'll say here src, give a space, give equal to, and give open and closing braces. I'm gonna use here the alt also, so I'll give equal to alt and open and closing curly braces. And now we will just say here item. Okay, so item dot, in order to show the images profile pic, we will use this key or the property profile pic. Okay, we will use this key or the property profile pic in order to show the images. Okay, in order to show the images dynamically. Okay, like this image, like this image. Okay, like this image. Okay, like this image from each and every element. Okay, we will use this key or the property profile pic. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here, item dot profile pic. I'm gonna show here the alt also, so I'll say here item dot, I'll just use here name. Okay, so this name property. Okay, this name property Riya Kumari, this name property Pankaj Kumar Sharma, this name property Neha Kumari, this name property Jaya Kumari, dynamically from each and every element it will be shown. Okay, so this is it. I'll give the class name also, so I'll say here class name. I'll use here the img fluid. I'll say here thumbnail also, and I'll just use here another class. Okay, rounded. Okay, rounded for the rounded corner for the border radius. Okay, so this is it. So close this. Okay, so guys, it is compulsory, it is mandatory to close all the HTML tag, all the HTML elements. Okay, whether it is a self-closing tag or whether it is a normal HTML tag or the element, it is compulsory to close it. Okay, so that's why we have to close this img element also like this. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and see. Boom, guys, we can see here we have got our image. Okay, so let me just remove one thing from here. So remove this margin top and margin bottom from here, the class name. Okay, and now save your code. See, boom, guys, we can see here all the images dynamically have been shown, have been displayed. Okay, like this is the example. So now we will just show all the other details as well. Okay, like name, profile pic, description, experience, and age, and one button also called see details. Okay, we will just show this. Okay, so just come here and below this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'll say here another div. I'll say here class name as a card body. Okay, so card body, and close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, another div I'll create. So give the class name also as a d block. Okay, so just close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here the h5 element. Okay, so h5 I will use here, not h2, h5. Okay, so h5 I'm gonna say here the I'm gonna create here the strong element also. So strong. Okay, and close this very quickly. Strong, I will just say here name. Okay, text. Okay, name space, put colon, put a space. So inside this h5 I'll say here open and closing braces, and I'll just copy this item from here and just paste it here to show the name. We will say here dot name. Okay, dot name. Okay, you can see here, guys, the moment I will say here item dot, and it is gonna show all the key, all the property here. Okay, guys, the moment you will say here item dot, it is gonna show all the key, all the property from the item object. Okay, from the item object, because this item is now object. Okay, guys, because this item is now object, because it has iterated, it has looked through all the elements. Okay, all the elements of this user details array of object. Okay, so guys, now all the elements, okay, all the elements of this user details array of object is now inside this item. Okay, inside this item, and now this item is an object. Okay, now this item is an object, and it contains, okay, these items now contains all the property, all the key, like name, title, description, profile pic, experience, and age. Okay, like name, title, description, profile pic, experience, or age. Okay, like name, title, description, profile pic, experience, or age. Okay, from each and every element. Okay, from each and every element of this user details array of object is now inside this item object. Okay, okay, so we will see here again, it will show item dot, it will show again the all the property of this item object. Okay, like age, description, experience, name, profile pic, title. Okay, okay, so I'll say here item dot name. Okay, so save your code, and I'll just give here the class also, class name. I'll say here uh, I'll say here card. Okay, card title. Okay, this is it. Okay, it is only class name, nothing else. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and see, boom guys, we can see here the name have been dynamically now displayed. Okay, so name is here Prabhat Pandit, Priya Kumari, Deepak Kumar, Ram Kumar Yadav. Okay, Priya Kumari Sharma, Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Neha Kumari, and Jaya Kumari. Okay, so likewise we will show all the details like profile, description, experience, and age. Okay, and one button also called see details. Okay, so we are gonna do it now. So come to the code very quickly, and below this, okay, below this I'm gonna say here so below this I'm gonna create here uh, so just to cut this out and paste it above this. Okay, above this div. Okay, and inside this div with the class d block we will show other things. Okay, so now, so I'm gonna create here so let just be, okay, let it be, it can be anything, h2, h5, no issue at all. Okay, so h5, h5, and just I'm gonna say give the class name also. So I'll say here class name of card. Okay, card title. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna create here the strong element as well. I'll say here strong, close this very quickly, and give text also. I'll say here profile. Okay, profile, give a space, put colon, give a space, and not here, inside the strong element. Okay, inside the strong element. Okay, profile. Okay, put space, put colon, and we will just say here open and closing braces, and now we will just show here the title. Okay, so copy this item. Okay, so copy this item, and we will say here dot, again we will see the options. Okay, like title, profile pic, name, experience, okay, description, and age. So this time I will use here the title. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see here, now we can see here the name. Okay, so name is Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and we can see here the profile is now Snow developer, Java developer, React.js developer, okay, Angular developer, web developer, Vue.js developer, JavaScript developer, and Kotlin developer. Likewise here also profile is shown. Okay, so now we are going to show this description. Okay, we are going to show this description now. So just come to the code very quickly, and below this I'm going to create here another element. So I'll just create here p element. Okay, so close this p very quickly. I'll give the class name also. So give class name as a card. Okay, card title or text only. Okay, so say card text. I will create here the strong element. Okay, why not copy this strong from here only? Okay, it will save a few seconds also. Okay, so just paste it. Okay, so now this time I will say here the description. Okay, this time we are going to show the description. So we will say here like this. Okay, copy this item, and we will say here dot description. Okay, you can see dynamically the moment you will see here, you can see here this item is an object. Okay, see, this item is an object, and it has got property like age, description, experience, name, and profile pic, title. Okay, okay, so this time we will use here the description. Okay, so save your code, and now just go to the browser. So you can see here description is now shown, okay, like here. So this is the description, okay. On each and every profile card we have shown the description also. Here also we have shown the description, okay. So we will now show the experience and the age very quickly. So come to the code very quickly and just copy it, okay, and paste it couple of times, okay. This is it, and we will just change the text to I'll say here exp for the experience, and just remove this, and we will say here experience, okay. You can see item dot experience, it is showing again, and I'll show here the age, okay. So age, remove this, and dot, we will say here age, okay. Okay, so hit enter, age, okay. So save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see here, boom guys, now we can see here we have shown all the things also, like name, profile, description, experience, and age also, like here, okay, like here, okay. So now we will just create this button very quickly, see details on each and every user profile card, okay. So come to the code very quickly, and we are going to create the button now. So below this div I'm going to create here another div, okay. Below this div I'm going to create here another div, okay. So close this div very quickly. I'll give the class name also, margin top 2, margin bottom also 2, and I'll say here btn not, I'll say here btn container, okay. So this is it. I'm going to create here the button element inside this div. I'll say here button, okay. So button, close this button very quickly, and I'll just say here class name also. I'll give you a btn, I'll say here success. I will make it a small button, so I'll say here btn btn sm, okay. This is it, okay. I'll give the text also, see details, okay, details, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, this is it, okay. Save your code, go to the browser, and I'll just give you guys a rounded 0, okay. I don't want the border radius, okay. So I'll say here rounded 0, because I don't want the border radius at all on the button, okay. So now save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see, boom guys, we can see here the button also, like the example, okay. So this is the example, okay. This is the example, and this is what we have made here right now, okay. So whenever guys, right now you will click on the profile card, or you will click on the button also, then also nothing is gonna happen, okay. Then also nothing is going to be happen, because we have to write our logic, we have to implement our logic, okay. We have to write our functions, we have to write our methods as well, okay. You can see nothing is happening whenever I am clicking on any of the user profile card, okay. And on the button as well, nothing is going to happen, okay. So we have to create our functions, okay. On event, okay. So this is the event guys, okay. On click is a event, okay. On click is a event. So we will fire the function, we will fire a method on event, okay, such as click, okay. Okay, on click we are gonna fire the event, okay. You can see here this is happening over the on click event, okay. This is happening over the on click event, okay. Okay, okay, see, okay. And on click of this button also, modal is opening, and dynamically we are fetching the all the content from this user profile card, okay. On click of this button, okay, okay. So we have to implement first this, okay. First this feature we have to implement, okay. So now we are going to implement it in our code as well, okay. So I don't want guys border radius, okay. Like here there is no border radius on the image, so we will remove the border radius from the image, okay. So just remove this rounded from here, and save your code, go to the browser, and see it's gone, okay. So now just implement this feature, okay. This click feature, make it active or deactive, toggle the active or the deactive status on click of the card, okay. Okay, okay. So we are gonna implement it now, okay. So come to the code. So now we are gonna do it now, we are gonna achieve it now, okay. So first of all guys, we have to here on this div with the class card, we are gonna implement a like conditions, okay. So conditions we are gonna implement it. So I'm gonna use here the concatenation function. Okay, so I'll say here like this. Okay, use backtick, so like this, and use backtick. Okay, so this is it. So now use dollar, and this is known as the string interpolation or the string literal. Okay, but we use here inside the React to concatenate the CSS classes. Okay, to concatenate the CSS classes, we will use this expression. Okay, in React. Okay, so we will just say here that we are gonna create here one use state. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one use state. So first we have to import it from the React. Okay, so first we will import it. So I'll say here const. Okay, const like this. I'll say here use state, import use state from where, guys? From React. Okay, so from React. So now we are free to use this use state hook inside our entire code, inside our entire application. Okay, so we have imported this use state hook from the React, and now we are free to use it, this hook use state in our application, in our entire code. Okay, so this is it. So come here, we are going to define here some use state also. So I will be defining here one use state. Okay, so I'll just say here const. Okay, const, this is known as the, guys, this is known as the array destructuring in React. Okay, this is known as the array destructuring in React, and it has got exactly two elements. Okay, guys, it will have only exactly two elements. Okay, only two elements. One element is first element is known as the state variable, and the second element is known as the updater function. Okay, guys, first element is known as the state variable, and the second element is known as the updater function, and it has got only two element, exactly two element it has got. Okay, so I'll just say here active. Okay, active index. Okay, and I'll say here set. Okay, set active index. Okay, we will say equal to uh, use state. Okay, use state, and now we will just provide here the default value of null. Okay, so guys, this first, okay, first element is known as the state variable. Okay, and this second element is known as the updater function. Okay, and guys, this active index default value is, as of now, it's null. Okay, as of now it's null. Okay, its default value is null. Okay, active index. Okay, so just copy this active index state variable from here, and we will just say here if this equal to the current index. Okay, this current index. Okay, this current index, if this is the case, we will apply this active class. Okay, this active class. Okay, if this is not the case, we will apply the blank or the empty class. Okay, so guys, I'm going to copy the css. Okay, guys, I'm going to copy the custom css from the previous example only, just to save up a little bit of time on writing the custom css. Guys, it is just a basic css. Okay, it is not a rocket science, it is just a basic css, and I will explain you all the css as well, don't worry. So just come here and copy this. Okay, style sheet from here, and just paste it inside our head section. Okay, above here. So let me just explain you. Okay, you can see here, guys, this is the thumbnail. Okay, I have given here the class also, it's a thumbnail. Okay, this is thumbnail for the image. Okay, and you can see here, width is 100% and height is auto, and this is the active class. Okay, we will apply this class, we will apply this active class dynamically. Okay, when the when you can see here, when the user profile is now clicked. Okay, so we will apply this active class dynamically, we will remove the active class dynamically as well. Okay, in this way we can toggle the active class. Okay, okay, from active to deactive status. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the user profile. Okay, 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 so it is happening over the on click event. Okay, so that's why Okay, so this is the color white, background color is red. Okay, box shadow is this, transition is this for the animation. And for the scale, I have used the transform scale 3D 1.1 comma 1.1 comma 1.01, and this is the z index 1. Okay, and this is the false class. Okay, so whenever I'm sorry, whenever user will click again, we will apply this false class for the transition for the animation. Okay, so first of all we have to write our method also. So on this div only, we are gonna apply here one method. Okay, on this div only. Okay, so we are gonna apply here one method. Okay, okay, so we will apply here one method. Okay, so I'll just say here that on click. Okay, on click, equal to like this, I will use here the anonymous filter function. Okay, and I'll just pass here the item. Okay, this item object. Okay, this item object, and I'll pass this index also as well. Okay, so this is a filter function. So say like this, and we will define here one method called handle. Okay, handle card. Okay, handle card click. Okay, handle card click. Okay, this is it. Okay, okay, not here, we have to provide here, sorry. So we have to provide it here. Okay, inside this method handle card click. Okay, so we will pass this item object and the current index as well. Okay, so now we will just copy this method name from here, and we have to define it now inside our parent component. So below this I'm gonna say here const. Okay, const, paste this, and just equal to, and just like this. Okay, so now we will just use here the filter function, and we will just update this set active index. Okay, so just save this. Okay, and we will just apply this index dynamically. Okay, so we will just use this set active index. Okay, to update this active index dynamically, or to exploit this active index. Okay, state variable dynamically using this set active index updater function, and we will apply the current index. Okay, to update this active index. Okay, using this set active index updater function, and whenever user will click on the card, it is gonna check this condition. Okay, it is gonna check this condition. If this condition will met. Okay, if active index equal to the current index. Okay, equal to the current index, it will apply the active class, otherwise it will apply the blank or the empty class. Okay, so guys, finger crossed. Okay, save your code and go to the browser, and now hit anywhere. See, boom guys, see. Okay, so now we can see it is not toggling at all. It is not toggling at all. Okay, so we have to toggle it. So let me just give here some margin. Okay, so give margin 4 bottom. Okay, 4 also. Save your code. Okay, so see, boom guys, you can see here it's applying. Okay, it's applying the class active. Okay, dynamically, but as of now we can't toggle it. Okay, we can't toggle it because we have to write our logic also for toggling the card. Okay, so we have to toggle it, so we have to write the logic as well. Okay, so first of all guys, we will use this. Okay, false class. Okay, we will use this false class, copy from here, and instead of guys, instead of blank or the empty class, we will use this. Okay, animation class. Okay, false class, you can see here it is just a animation for the transition. Okay, like this, and for the transform again it will bring it into the initial size, into the initial state. Okay, you can see here scale 3D hai, I mean 1 1 1, and transition all 0.3 second is. Okay, so just save your code, and now okay, see, it's now animating very smoothly and very like awesomely. Okay, so see, okay, so it's animating very fine, very smoothly as well. Okay, yep. So now as of now we can't toggle it. Okay, so we have to toggle it. Okay, we have to toggle it. Okay, so just come to the code and we have to write our logic also inside this handle card click method only. So we will write the logic now. So just comment this out as of now, and now we will just say here if. Okay, if I'll just say here this active index. Okay, this active index equal to index. Okay, equal to index, which means the card is active. Okay, which means the card is active, and we will just set this set active index to null. Okay, which means here, which means the card is active. Okay, here, which means the card is active. So again the user will click it, we will make it null. Okay, we will make it null. Okay, so let me just write the comment also. Let me just write the comment also here. So deactivate the card. Okay, deactivate the card if clicked again. Okay, so if this is not the case, we will say here else we will just use this set active index, and dynamically we will just pass the index. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, save your code and just write the comment also for you guys. Okay, so I'll say here activate the clicked. Okay, clicked card. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and now just refresh the page. Okay, so now guys click, see, boom guys, now we can toggle it as well. Okay, so guys see here, we can toggle it as well. Okay, and it is animating very smoothly as well. Okay, it is animating very smoothly as well. Okay, see, it is now toggling and it is animating as well. Okay, it is animating as well. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, so it is smoothly animating and it is toggling the active status to deactive status. Okay, so in this way we can toggle the status from active to deactive. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the card again. Okay, okay, so it's doing fine, it's doing great. Okay, it's doing mind blowing. Okay, see, it's doing great. Okay, so guys now we have to implement, okay, this feature. Okay, this feature. Okay, this active and deactive feature. Okay, see, it's active, it's active again. See, it's deactive, it's active, it's deactive, it's active. Okay, and again click it. See, it's deactive, it's active, active. Okay, it's active, active, again deactive. See, deactive. Okay, so we have to implement it now in our code as well. Okay, so come to the code very quickly, and now what we will say here, I'm gonna create here another state variable. So copy this state variable from here and just change this. Okay, so I'll just say here I'll just say here active text, I will say here. Okay, and I'll say here set active text. Okay, so this is the state variable, and this set active is the updater function. Okay, so just as of now just give nothing. Okay, as of now just give nothing. Okay, okay, so this is it. Okay, so just copy this set active index, and now come to this. We will just say here that deactivate. Okay, deactivate, and just copy this, put semicolon, and just copy this, and now we will just say here activate. Okay, so active. Okay, deactivate and activate. Okay, so now just copy this active text from here, and now we have to give here another div gonna create here. So just close this div and give the class name also. I'll say here text center. I'll just give here margin top 2, and give margin bottom 2 also. So inside this we will just say here like give here the h1 element only. It's up to you only. H1 and paste it. Okay, so give the class name also. I'll say here text center. Okay, so save your code and now go to the browser and now try to hit anywhere on the card. Okay, on the user profile card, hit anywhere. See, boom guys, you can see it's active, it's deactive. Okay, it's deactive, active, deactive. Okay, active, deactive, active, deactive. Okay, active, deactive. It's active, active, deactive, active, and active, deactive. Okay, deactive, active, active, and active. Okay, deactive. Okay, active, 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 deactive, active, deactive. Okay, but we have to change the text color also. Like here is red and green. Okay, whenever it's active it's green, whenever it is deactive it is red. Okay, whenever it's active it's green, whenever it's deactive it's red. Okay, so we have to do it now here also. So I'm gonna achieve it now. Okay, so guys let me just breathe for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm sorry guys. Okay, so guys now again let's back to the code. Okay, so here we are gonna dynamically apply the classes. Okay, so dynamically we are gonna apply the classes to this h1 element. Okay, so we will just use here the backtick for the uh, concatenation of the css classes. Okay, so backtick we will just say here dollar and we will just say here that uh, I'll just say here, I'll just check this. Okay, active text. Okay, this active text state variable. Okay, so we will just say here if equal to this active. Okay, equal to this active. Okay, so if this is the case we will apply here the text success. Okay, text success. Okay, text success. Otherwise if this is not the case we will apply here the text danger. Okay, the text danger. Okay, so guys here we are checking here set active index. We are defining here set active index deactivate. Okay, and here also activate. Okay, so make it activate. Okay, make it active. Okay, make it active only and deactive. Okay, make it deactive. Okay, this is it. Okay, so if this is the case we will apply this text success color. If this is not the case we will apply this text danger color. Okay, to this h1 element. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and now hit anywhere on the user profile card. See, boom guys, it's active. See, it's red, deactive, it's active, green, it's deactive. So red, it's active, green, again deactive, red, it's active, so the text color is green. Click it again, it's deactive, so the color is now text color is now red. Okay, so active, green, active, green, active, green. Okay, active, green. Okay, so make it deactive now. So you can see red text color. Click it again, click it. See, it's active, again click it, so it's deactive, red color. Again click it, active, again make it deactive. So see, it's deactive. Okay, so guys now we have implemented here our two feature of this example. Okay, so guys we have achieved here two feature, okay, two goal of this video, of this session. Okay, so guys, now the last goal is to make this modal component and to fetch all the details dynamically from the clicked user profile card, okay, on which user has currently clicked. We will fetch the user profile details, and we will show that details dynamically in our modal. Okay, so we are gonna create a modal component, and whenever user will click on this button see details, we will open this modal first, and we will fetch all the details in the modal dynamically, okay, on this button click. Okay, okay, so we are gonna now achieve this functionality. We are gonna now build this feature in our code as well. Okay, 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 so just come here to our code, and so we are gonna create here one component, guys. Okay, one I mean one modal component we are going to create, and I hope, guys, you know how we can create the component, okay, in our React.js code. Okay, guys, React is all about component. Okay, guys, component is the building block of any React application, any React website, any React native application. Guys, if you don't know how what is component and how we can create the component in React, okay, then please, guys, okay, do watch my these videos. Okay, okay, React.js component, okay, React.js component, okay, React fundamentals, React props, and React.js. Okay, guys, you will become master in creating the React component after watching my this video, after watching my this session. Okay, because, guys, I have explained, guys, each and every minute details. I have explained, guys, each and every small details about the component, how to create component, what is component, and how we can dynamically nest the component in another component, how we can nest the child component in parent component. I have explained, I have very, guys, efficiently explained all the things about the component in this video, React.js component. Okay, so you must, guys, watch this video. Okay, if you want to learn about the component, if you want to know the how we can create the component in React.js, then you must watch this video. Okay, this video, okay, React.js components. Okay, so, guys, now for this video, for this demo, guys, I'm assuming that you know what is component and how we can create the component and how we can pass the props to the component as well in React.js. Okay, so that I'm gonna move forward, I'm gonna proceed. Okay, assuming that you know what is component and you have worked with the component, you have created the component in React.js as well. Okay, so just come to the code now, and I'm gonna create here another component. Okay, I mean one component, const, I'll say here modal. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna explain here why we give here the capital letter, okay, of this modal name. Okay, okay, guys, it is compulsory to use the first letter as a capital letter whenever you are defining with the modal name. Okay, and whenever you are working with the React, because this way only Bevel is gonna Bevel is gonna know that you are working with the custom React component and not the regular or the normal HTML tag, normal HTML element. So that's why we have to use here the first letter as a capital letter whenever we have to define the component name in React.js. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so, guys, now I'll just say here like this. I'm gonna use the filter function, so close this. Okay, so it is gonna return all the things. So open and closing parenthesis, and it is gonna take here one parent component, I mean one parent container, or the one wrapper div, or one JSX fragments as well. Okay, you are free to use anything, container div or the JSX fragments as well. Okay, inside this return statement, it is compulsory to use one parent container or the wrapper div. Okay, you are free to use the JSX fragments as well. Okay, so I'll use here the div. Okay, so I'll use here the div, give the class name also. First close this div very quickly. Okay, so give the class name also. I'm very sorry, guys, because as you see, guys, I'm constantly speaking since a long time. Okay, so that's why I'm sorry for my voice. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for my voice. Okay, so I'll just say here, I'll use here the uh, concatenation method. Okay, backtick, I'll use here the default class as a modal. Okay, modal overlay. Okay, default class modal overlay, and I'll use here the another class for the dynamically we are gonna concatenate. Okay, dynamically we are gonna concatenate. Okay, so we have to first here pass here. I'm gonna pass here some props also. So I'll pass here first prop as a show, second prop as a on close, third prop I'll give here as a title, and the last prop I'll use here the special prop called children prop. Okay, so guys, this children prop is a special prop in React.js, and it is used to define the complex layout. It is used to define the complex UI in our React component. Okay, in our React application, it is used to design complex UI, complex components. Okay, in React. Okay, so that's why we use this special props known as children. Okay, so guys, just copy this prop name from here, and we will just dynamically apply this class. Okay, if this is true, we will apply this class. Okay, show overlay. Okay, if this is not, we will just apply the blank or the dynamic a blank or the empty class. Okay, so open this div. Okay, and guys, let me just show you. I have defined this overlay class. Okay, modal overlay, and this show overlay class here. Okay, so you can see here this is the modal overlay, and it is gonna create here the overlay. Okay, I hope you know what is overlay and how we can create the overlay using the CSS. Okay, so guys, this code of CSS is gonna only create the modal overlay. Okay, let me just show the example. Just click this button, see details. Okay, so guys, whatever you have seen here outside this modal content, this gray area. Okay, this gray area. Okay guys, this gray area is known as the overlay. Okay, and I hope you know how we can create this overlay using CSS. Okay, if you are learning here guys React.js, then guys, you must know that how we can create the overlay, how we can create the modal using the CSS. Okay guys, if you don't know how we can create the overlay, how we can create the modal, then guys, you need to stop watching this video, and first you need to learn CSS, and first you need to learn how we can create the overlay, how we can create the modal using the CSS. Okay, so stop it right away and learn the CSS first. Okay, so guys, I'm assuming again that you are know what is CSS, and you are a master in writing the custom CSS, in creating the overlays, in creating the modal, in creating the complex to complex UI. Okay, complex to complex front end using the CSS. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna assume it that you know it, and I'm gonna move forward. Okay, let me just connect it. Okay, so come here, and guys, I have explained this overlay, and this is the modal. Okay, this is the modal. So again, let me just go to the example first. So guys, whatever you have seen here inside this white area is known as the modal content. Okay guys, whatever you have seen here, this white area is known as the modal content. Okay, is known as the modal content, and this is created using this modals. Okay, this modals class. Okay, you can see background is white, padding is 15 px, border radius is 10 px, width is 500, max width is 100%, transform translate y minus 500 px to top. Okay, okay, transition all 0.3 seconds, ease in out. Okay, and opacity is 0, and show overlay, we will apply this class dynamically. Okay, and this class also show modal. Okay, so guys, we will apply these two classes. Okay guys, we will apply these two classes, show overlay and show modal, dynamically. And here you can see here, as of now the opacity is 0, as of now the opacity is 0. Okay, and the moment we will apply this show overlay, we will make the opacity 1, and the moment we will apply this show modal class, we will make the opacity again 1. Okay, and this is I have just used this for the animation, for the transition. Okay, this is it. Okay, and this is the modal header class, and this is the modal button class. Okay, this is it. Okay, although we don't require this button class, so we can remove it. Okay, because we are using here the predefined classes of Bootstrap to define our button. Okay, to define our button. So this is it. Okay, so inside this div I am gonna create here another div. Okay, very quickly I will create here another div. So I'll give the class name also as a dynamically I will apply the class. So this is the default class Modals. Okay, this Modals class is a default class, and dynamically we will apply, we will concatenate this class based on this show props value. Okay, whether it is true, whether it is false, whether the modal is hidden, whether the modal is shown, we will apply, we will use this show prop to apply the conditions, to apply the classes dynamically based on this show prop value. Okay, whenever usable, click the button. Okay, okay, so copy this and just say here like this. Okay, so now again, i'm sorry I'm sorry guys, okay, for my voice. Okay, so I'll apply this show modal class. So copy this. Okay, as of now you can see here, now the opacity is 1, and here as of now initially the opacity is 0. Okay, so we will apply this show class. If this is not the case, we will apply here the blank or the empty class. Okay, so this is it. Okay, close this div very quickly. And I'm sorry, okay, I'm sorry guys. So now we will just create here another div. I'm sorry, another div, and I'll just give the class name also as a I'll give you modal header. Okay, not button, I'll say here modal header. Okay, so open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here h2 element. Okay, h2 element, and I'll pass this title prop. Okay, I'll pass this title prop as a value, as a text to this h2 element. Okay, and this is it. And here below this h2 I'm gonna create here button element. Okay, so button element, I'm sorry, I'm sorry guys, I hope because you know guys, I'm also a human beings. Okay, so I sometimes I also, you know, like do these things. Okay, because also I am a human being. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I hope you will excuse me for this, you will forgive me for this. Okay, so just close this button, and I'll just give you the class. Okay guys, we need the that CSS class. Okay, so we need that CSS class. Okay, so modal close button. Okay, and this is it. Okay, I'll just copy the text, the icon. So copy this CSS class from here, because we have removed it. So copy it, we need it, and just go into the CSS and paste it here. This is it. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this go to the example, and I'm gonna just copy this okay, code. Okay, HTML code for this cross icon. Okay, for this cross icon. So just go to the example, so just copy this code from here and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we will define here another div. Below this div I'm gonna define here another div. Close this div, I'm sorry, and I'll just give the class name also as a modal body. Okay, modal body, and now inside this modal body we will just use this special prop called children to define the modal content dynamically. Okay, dynamically we will now use this children prop to define the modal content. Okay, to define the modal content. And now guys, we have to check here one conditions as well. So I'll say here if, okay, negation of this show prop value, if it is true, we will just return here, null. Okay, null. So guys, in this way we will just hide the modal dynamically. Okay, in this way we will just hide the modal dynamically. So let me just write the comment also. So I'll say here hide modal. Okay, when show is false. Okay, when show is false. Okay, and we will just write here comment also, or toggle it. Okay, or toggle it based on show okay, based on show prop value. Okay, okay. If it is okay, you can see here, if it is false, it will be hidden. If it is true, it will be shown. Okay, but by default we have to make this modal hidden by default. Okay, so that's why guys we have to write this condition on the top of everything. Okay guys, we have to write this condition, okay, on top of everything, then only it is not gonna return. Okay, the moment guys the control will come here, it will check that if this show prop value is false. Okay guys, the moment the control will come here, it is gonna check that show prop value is true, it will return null. Okay, it will return null, and the control will not come here to this return statement, and in this way the modal will be hidden, the modal will be not shown by default. Okay, and whenever the user will click on any of the button, then whenever the user will hit on any of the button to change, okay, this show prop value from false to true, from false to true, so this condition will become false. Now this condition is now false, so it will return this. Okay, it will return this return statement, and in this way we can see the modal, and in this way we can toggle the modal. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. So first of all, just copy this modal component name from here, and we have to use here in our parent component. Okay, in our parent component below this I'm gonna use here. So we will just say here like this, open and closing braces, and just close this modal as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna use here, first of all I'm gonna use here the one use state hook also. So I'll just say here show, okay, show modal. Okay, and I'll just say here set, okay, set show modal. Okay, so as of now give its value as a false. Okay, so copy this and just come here and just say here show prop value. We will define, we will give this. Okay, so guys you can see here it has got prop. Okay, show on close title and children, and based on this show prop we are toggling, we are showing the modal, we are hiding the modal based on this show prop value, and if it is false it will be hidden, if it is true it will be shown. Okay, so here, so here I have used here, I have created here one user state variable, and here you can see here show modal, and its initial value is false, so it will be hidden, the modal will be hidden. So that's why I'm gonna copy this show modal state variable from here, and I will just give here this show prop value as a this show modal. Okay, and it will be hidden by default. Okay, initially it will be hidden. Okay, and when the user will click on any of the button, it will be shown. Okay, so we are gonna define here on close prop also. So I'll say here on close prop, I'll just define here the method name also. So I'll say here close modal. Okay, close modal, and I'll just give the title as of now, just give the title as a static title. Okay, as a static title, say here er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so we have to define this method now. Okay, close modal first, so copy this method name close modal, and just below this say here const. Okay, paste this, I'm gonna use the filter function, and like this. Okay, and this is it, close it. Okay, not this, we have to put here this. Okay, so we have to define now this method also on close. Okay, close modal. Okay, so we will just say here this, copy this set show modal. Okay, so copy this set show modal, and we will just revert it its value. So make it again false. I'm sorry, so make it again false. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I hope guys, finger crossed. Okay, so our code will run, our code will work. Okay, so first of all guys, we have to open the modal as well. So on this button I'm gonna create here another method, and I'll give the method name as a on click. Okay, on click, I'll use here the okay, so anonymous filter function. So so I'll say here open, okay, open modal, okay, open modal, and I'll pass the this item object to this open modal, okay, and I'll pass this index also to this open modal, okay. So just copy this method name from here, and we have to define it now. So just below this, okay, say here const, it's not console, it's const, yep. So paste it, so separate this, give equal to, and just further function, so close this, and now we will just say here open modal, and just set here that I'll just say here okay, so we will just say here set, okay, show modal, okay, set show modal, and we will just make it true, okay, we will just make it true, okay. So just make it true. I hope finger crossed our code will work, okay. So just save your code, and inside this, guys, let me just put here some content, okay, for this, okay, for this special prop called children prop, okay. So guys, whatever you will define, guys, whatever you will define inside this opening and closing custom component called modal, okay, guys, whatever you will define inside the opening and closing custom component called modal, it will be considered the content, okay, the content for this children prop, okay, for this children prop, okay. So just randomly I'll just define here hello, hello Priya Kumari Sharma, how are you today, okay. So just save your code and go to the browser, and just try to hit the button, see details, see, boom, guys, our modal works, guys. You can see here our modal works, and you can see here this is the dynamic content custom content as of now, Prabhat Pandit and hello Priya Kumari Sharma, how are you today. Close this. So as of now it's not working, so see, we can't close the things, okay. So on this cross icon, what we have to say, so go to the modal component, okay. So on this we will just say here on close, okay, on close we will just, okay, so on close we will just define here this on close method, okay, on click, okay. So okay, so we will say here on click, okay. So just save your code and go to the browser, and now hit the button see details, see, boom, guys, now close it, it's gone. So see, as of now, whenever I am clicking on the gray area, okay, nothing is going to happen, okay, guys, nothing is happening whenever I am clicking on the gray area, okay. So we have to make it make this work also, and we have to create a button also to dismiss the modal, okay, here. So I'm gonna create here one button also very quickly. So guys, dynamically we will just show the things very quickly. So just come to the modal component here, and just remove this. So we have to make this title dynamic also, so we will just remove this static text Prabhat Pandit, and just here we can see here we are passing here this item to this open modal function. So we have to here I'm gonna say here I'll say here I'm gonna create here another state variable. I'll say here const, okay. So I'll say here modal data, and I'll say here set modal data, okay, and I'll say here use state, and as of now just give its value as a null, okay, as a null. So whenever, so copy this, so whenever the modal is open, we will pass this item object to this, okay, to this set modal data, okay, updater function, okay. So just copy this and just paste it here, okay. So now everything is inside this modal data, and now it is an object. So guys, now everything is inside inside this modal data, and now it is an object. So come here and we will just say here this modal data dot, you can see here it has got I'll say here name. Okay, so dynamically we will just show the name only. So as of now, just give here dot dot dot. Okay, dot dot dot. Okay, so this name, okay, is now dynamic. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser. We got the error, we got the issue. Go to the developer tool, go to the console, and app is not okay. Okay, we have to give the key prop also. So come here and we will just give here the key attribute. Okay, so key. Okay, I'll give this index. Okay, because this index is unique, this index is distinct only, so we have to give here the key index also whenever we are looping through any array or the any array of object. So it is compulsory to provide here key attribute also, because that's why only React is gonna know that which part of the component, which part of the UI is going to be updated, is going to be changed, okay, through this key attribute only. So it is compulsory to provide this key, okay, key attribute, okay, whenever we are looping through the array, whenever we are looping through the array of object. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so show. Okay, so now let me just check what is the issue. So cannot read property of null name. Okay, cannot read property of null name. Okay, so is there name? Yeah, there is a name property here. So let me just check. Okay, so go to the modal. So modal data, this modal data, this modal data. So don't provide the null, just give here the blank or the empty space. Okay, so now save your code and now go to the yeah, now it's working. Okay, so now it's dynamic, so close this. Okay, so hit this button, see details. See, boom guys, you can see here Priya Kumari is dynamic. So close this, click this button, Deepak Kumar, see Deepak Kumar, close this, click this, see details, Prabhat Pandit is dynamic now. This Ram Kumar Yadav is dynamic now. This see details, Riya Kumari Sharma. Okay, close this, Pankaj Kumar Sharma. So now it's dynamic. Okay, this, okay, Jaya Kumari. So we have to make it like this. Okay, we have to show the name, profile pic also, and all the details also, and one button also to dismiss the modal, to dismiss this pop-up. Okay, so just come here now and just we will just define it now, all the things. Okay, so our code is doing great, our code is doing fine, our component is doing great. Okay, so we have to define all the details now of this modal component. Okay, so just between this opening and closing modal custom component, we will just, I'm gonna create here another div very quickly. Give the class name also, I'll say here img container, I'll give you a margin top 3, margin bottom also 3, and close this div. Okay, and now inside this div I'm gonna create here img element. Okay, img, I'll say here src equal to, I'll use this, I'll use the alt attribute also, equal to like this, and I'll give the class name equal to, I'll give you img fluid. Okay, and I'll use the thumbnail also, and I'll use the rounded also. Okay, just for the little border radius. Okay, rounded. So we have to close this tag also. So now we will just say here modal data dot, I'll show the img element. Okay, so copy this profile description from here to show the images dynamically based on the clicked card. Okay, based on the clicked card we will show this image dynamically. So just say this. Okay, and we will just say here the modal data dot, I'll just use here the name attribute. Okay, this name attribute. Okay guys, this name attribute, this name attribute. Okay, this name attribute, okay, this name attribute, okay. So just save your code and go to the browser, and now click this button see details in order to see the profile details, okay, of this Priya Kumari, okay. So hit the button see details now. See, boom, guys, boom, our code is doing great, our code is doing fantastic, okay. So close this. So see details, see, it's done, it's awesome, it's dynamic also, it's doing great as well, okay. So see, okay, okay guys, so it's dynamic now, okay, it's dynamic now, okay. So let me just connect the net first. Okay, so see, it's toggling the status also from active to deactive, okay. And now we can see dynamic content also. We are fetching this content dynamically in our modal, okay. Whenever user is clicking on any of the user profile card, okay, dynamically we are fetching the content, okay. So okay, so it's doing great, it's doing mind blowing guys, okay, it's doing mind blowing, okay, it's doing great. Yep. Okay, so very quickly guys, we will show all the details like this profile description, age and experience, and a button called close modal, okay. Very quickly I'll just do that now. So below this div I'm gonna create here the h4 element, okay. So I'll say here h4 element, h4, and I'm gonna create here the strong element as well. So I'll say here strong, close this strong very quickly. I'll give the text also as a profile, give a space, give colon, give a space, and we will just say here opening and closing braces, okay. I'll say here modal data dot to show the profile, okay. So I will just copy this sorry, title from here, and we will just paste it here, okay. So now just save your code and go to the browser, and now hit this button see details. See, boom guys, the profile is Java developer now. See, it's doing great. So dynamically we are fetching the data in our modal, okay guys. Dynamically we are fetching the data in our modal whenever user is clicking on any of the user profile card, okay, in our modal, okay. So this is great guys, this is unique, and I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session, and this is very dynamic and very awesome class guys. You must guys watch this video till last, okay, till end, okay. So just come to the code, and we will just show all the things also, descriptions, age and experience, and one button also close modal, okay, to dismiss the modal, okay. So come here and just copy this h4 element from here and just paste it, okay. So I'll just give here the text as a description, okay. So I'll say here descriptions, okay. So I'll say here modal title, modal data dot description, okay, to show the description. So this is it, okay, and I'm gonna paste it again one more time, this h4 element, and I'll just change this text to I'll just make it as a age, okay. So age, this is it. I'll just say here modal data dot age, okay, to show the age property, okay. So again paste it one more time, and I'll say here experience, okay, exp for the experience, okay. And I'll just say here modal data dot experience, okay, to show the experience, okay. So now just save your code and go to the browser, and now see this Priya Kumari profile details. Hit the button see details. See, boom guys, you can see here it's doing great and it's looking cool like this, okay. So okay, so we have to create here the button also called close modal, okay. So just close it. See, dynamically we are fetching guys everything's, okay, every details, okay, here also, okay, like this, okay. Okay, so we have to create the button now, okay. So this is it. So create a button now very quickly. So below this I'm gonna create here div, okay, a button container. So I'm gonna create here a div, give the class name also as a margin top 4, give margin bottom also 4. Okay, and just close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here button element. So I'll say here button element I'm gonna create. So I'll say here button, and close this button very quickly. I'll give the class also. So I'll say CSS class also. So I'll say here class name equal to btn. I'll use here the warning. Okay, warning class. Okay, and this is it. Okay, I'll give the text also close. Okay, close modal. Okay, close modal. This is it. And on click of this button we have to fire one function also. So I'll say here on click. Okay, on click we are gonna fire one method, one function. So here we will just say here copy this method name close modal. So copy it from here and just paste here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, and guys, whenever the modal is closed, we have to remove all the data as well. Okay, so whenever the modal is closed, we have to remove all the data. We have to make this modal empty. Okay, so when this is closed, so copy this set modal data and just come here and just make it empty again. Okay, make it empty again. So it is a good practice. When the modal is closed, we have to remove all the content from the modal as well. Okay, so we have defined our button also here to dismiss the modal. Okay, on click we are firing this close modal. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser, and now hit this button see details. So now it's here. So boom guys, it's gone. Okay, it's doing great. It's doing great. Okay, as of now it's doing great, and we are dynamically we are fetching the things also dynamically. Okay, in our modal. Okay, okay, so as of now guys, this button is working, and this cross icon, this close icon is working. And as of now, whenever I'm clicking on the white side area of this modal, okay, of this modal, okay, nothing is happening. Okay, nothing is happening. So we have to implement this functionality also, like here. See, it is closing the modal whenever I am clicking on this gray area, on this outside area of this modal. Okay, see, it's closing, it's closing. So we have to implement this functionality here also. As of now we can see here it is not closing here, it is not making the modal dismiss. Okay, so we have to make it now, we have to achieve it here also. So just come to this. Okay, okay, so we have to say here, just come to this modal component. Okay, so this modal component, and we will just say here that on on click we will just copy, we will just call this prop on close. Okay, on close. So save your code and go to the browser, and now open this profile pic Priya Kumari, and click anywhere on this gray area. Okay, anywhere on this gray area. Okay, so see, boom guys, it's gone. Okay, see, it's gone guys, it is doing great. Okay, but guys, it has bring one more problem for us. Okay guys, this has bring one more problem for us. Whenever you will click on any of this white area also, now it is gonna dismiss the modal. Okay guys, whenever you will click on this area also, on this modal content area, then also it is going to dismiss the modal, then also it is going to make this modal disappear. Okay, see, it is again making it disappear. Okay, although I am clicking on the modal only. Okay, it is also making the modal dismiss. Okay, so to prevent this from happening, we have to write a small code now. Okay, see, again it is dismiss the closing the modal whenever I am clicking on this modal also. Okay, so to prevent this, what we have to say here, we have to say here on this. Okay, so I'll say here on click I'm gonna fire this anonymous function, and we will just pass this event object. Okay, so this E is known as the event object, and we will now say here event dot stop. Okay, event dot stop. Okay, propagation propagation. Okay, so in this way, whenever anything will happen on this parent div, on this container div, guys, whenever anything will happen like click event, like hover event effect, or the hover event. Okay, guys, whenever someone is going to click on this div, on the parent div, then it is okay, then it is not going to propagate to this inner div, this child div. Okay, then it is not going to propagate, it is not going to the event is not going to propagate to this inner div, to this container div, to this child div, because here we are saying here event dot stop propagation to stop the event. Okay, to stop the event which has happened, okay, which has happened on this div to this inner div. Okay, to this inner div by using this event dot stop propagation. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser, and now refresh the page and see, hit the button, see details, and now click anywhere, see, boom guys, see, it is not now closing the modal, it is not dismissing the modal now. Okay, so our problem is solved, our modal is now fully dynamic and fully functional and fully up to the mark as well. Okay, so close this, see details, close this, see details, close this. Okay, so guys, we can dismiss this modal, we can dismiss this pop-up in three ways. Okay, by clicking this cross icon, by clicking this close modal button, and by clicking anywhere on this gray area, on this white area. Okay, on this outside area as well. Okay, so hit here, it's gone, see details, hit here, it's gone, see details, hit here, it's gone, see details, hit here on this cross icon, it's gone, on this button close modal. Okay, and we can toggle the things also, and you can see actively we are changing the text also. Okay, so it's deactive, the text is also deactive, it's active, the text is also active. Okay, so okay, so guys, here we have achieved our all the functionality, all the feature, we have implemented all the functionality, all the features of this demo, of this tutorials. Okay, and guys, we have achieved our 100% goal, we have achieved our 100% target of this video, of this session. And guys, I hope guys I have explained you to the core, to the deep. Okay guys, still guys, you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to resolve it, I'll try to address it. Okay, and guys, if you still feel like you have learned something from this video, from this session, okay, then please guys, please do subscribe to my this YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please guys like all my videos. Okay, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos, okay, like this, okay, for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, so guys, please guys, I need your support, I need your help, and the only way you can support me, and the only way you can help me is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Okay guys, help me and promote me, and the only way you can help me, and the only way you can promote me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and is by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation. Okay, and please guys, if you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do like this video, and do guys give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and I hope guys you have learned something unique, something awesome, something extraordinary in React from today's session, from this video, from this session. Okay guys, please guys, okay, do subscribe to my this channel Code with ER. Okay, so let me just connect one more time. Okay, please guys, please. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, and I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, so okay, so guys, still you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to address it, I'll try to resolve it, and I will definitely try to give you the solution, I will definitely try to give you the answer as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.